Have you ever wondered how an app on your phone remembers you? You log in once, and for days or even weeks, you can open it up and it just knows who you are. It's not magic, and thankfully, it's not sending your password back and forth every single time. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. When you first log into an app, you provide your username and password. This is called authentication. The app securely sends this information to a server. Think of the server as a digital bouncer at an exclusive club. It checks your credentials against its list of members. If your username and password match an account, the bouncer says, "Yep, you're on the list. You can come in." But here's the crucial part. Once you're authenticated, the server doesn't want to keep asking for your password. That would be like the bouncer following you around all night, asking for your ID every time you want to order a drink. It's annoying and insecure. Instead, the server gives you a special, temporary pass. In the digital world, this pass is called a token. This token is essentially a long, random string of characters. It's a unique code that says, "I've been verified, and I'm allowed to be here." The token doesn't contain your password or any sensitive personal data. Its only job is to prove that you've already gone through the security check. The server sends this token back to your phone, and your app stores it securely. Now, every time your app needs to do something, like fetch your messages or update your profile, it sends a request to the server. Along with that request, it includes the token. The server receives the request, looks at the token, and verifies it. If the token is valid, the server knows it's you and processes the request. It's like showing your pass to the bouncer every time you enter a new room in the club. The bouncer just glances at it and waves you through. No questions asked. This system is much more secure than using your password for every interaction. Your password is only transmitted once during the initial login. For everything else, it's just the temporary token. This significantly reduces the risk of your password being intercepted. But what if someone manages to steal your token? Well, that's where another clever feature comes in. Expiration dates. Tokens are not meant to last forever. They are designed to expire after a certain amount of time. Some tokens might last only a few minutes, while others might be valid for hours or days. This time limit is a security measure. If a token is stolen, the thief only has a limited window of opportunity to use it before it becomes useless. Once a token expires, the app will usually ask you to log in again. You've probably experienced this when an app suddenly logs you out and you have to re-enter your password. That's the token expiring. Similarly, when you manually log out of an app, you're telling the server to invalidate your token immediately, making it unusable even if it hasn't expired yet. To make this process smoother for users, many apps use something called a refresh token. Think of it this way. You have a short-term access token that expires quickly, say every 15 minutes. You also have a long-term refresh token that might last for weeks. When your short-term token expires, the app can use the long-term refresh token to quietly request a new short-term one from the server, all without bothering you. This allows you to stay logged in for a long time without compromising security by having a single, long-lasting token. You only need to fully log in again when the refresh token itself expires or is invalidated. So, to recap the whole process, you log in with your password once. The server verifies you and gives your app a temporary token. Your app uses this token to prove it's you for all future requests. This token eventually expires for security, and the app either gets a new one automatically using a refresh token or asks you to log in again. This elegant system of authentication and token-based sessions is the backbone of how modern apps and websites provide a secure and seamless user experience. It keeps your account safe by minimizing the exposure of your password while making sure you don't have to type it in every 5 minutes. It's a simple yet powerful concept that keeps the digital world running smoothly and securely. So next time you open an app and it just works, you'll know about the silent, invisible handshake happening between your device and the server. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.